everybody, it's Addie, aka The Monkey. Welcome to Monkey Business. We need your help. So, on November 30th, by November 30th actually, we need questions for a question and answer about the Bronco, Ford,
It can really be about anything right now, everybody. Like Addie said, the Bronco. We've done a lot of accessory videos. If you guys still have questions about some of the accessories we've put on, or even accessories we haven't put on, but we've done a lot of research on some things that we haven't put on the Bronco yet. We do have still a bunch of parts still to go on.
Just a few.
And some things to review still for you. But also, like Addie said, we need your help. We want to do a question and answer video, but we want to answer your questions.
Yeah.
And like Addie said, it could be on the Bronco. Yeah. I've been to the Bronco Off-Rodeo for the dealer preview. If you've got questions about that, I'd be happy to answer those. That one was in Texas, so I'll probably be only able to answer things about that particular spot. I've heard that each one's a little bit different. But along with that, ask me anything about the Ford model right now. I'd be happy to give my 2 cents on that, at least as much as I know. I try not to speculate much, just for the simple fact I've seen lots of videos out there where these dealers are giving people information that I am unable to confirm. So anything that I can confirm, I'd be happy to. That's why we want to get these questions in now. Like Addie said, we'd like to get this done by the beginning of December. So we're going to be checking this video daily for questions that you'll be putting into the comments right below.
Yes.
So by November 30th, we need those questions in. So any questions you have about, again, the Bronco. The Bronco Off-Rodeo, accessories that we've put on, or ask us a question about a product we haven't placed, and we'll give you our thoughts on those as well. Like I said, we've been doing our research. Ford, I do know quite a bit about the ordering process, not only with Broncos, but pretty much the whole range. I've been trying to keep up to date on what's going on at Ford. So if you have any questions about Ford, I'd be happy to answer those. And even about the market in general. If you have questions about the automotive market right now, I'd be happy to answer those. Monk's been doing a lot of the accessories as well, so she can definitely give her 2 cents on those. But again, we need those by November 30th. So please get those in as soon as possible. Also, you might have noticed I am wearing some Monkey Business merch. We do now have the t-shirts. We have them from small, medium, large, and I believe extra large. So I'm wearing a large. I'm about 5'10", and right around 220. So if this looks like a shirt that'll fit you, let us know. We'll be more than happy to get with you to get payment. Shirts are going to be $20 a piece. And we still do. Yes, we still have the hats. We still have hats.
So gray and kind of black, and then olive green and tan.
Yep, and those are still available. Those are $25 a piece. We do only have a limited number of the green ones left. I haven't gotten any more yet, but obviously manufacturing for a lot of people has been pretty slow.
But we have a lot of these.
But we do have quite a few of the black and gray still. So yeah, let us know if you'd like one. You can always contact us through our YouTube channel. And we can get you set up with either PayPal, Venmo, something like that. And our puppy Bella has come into the scene now to become a YouTuber as well, it looks like.
Hello.
But no, please submit those questions. We have a lot of stuff still coming up, everyone. We've got a couple videos that Addie doesn't even know about yet that I've got some pretty big items coming up. And then we also have a video coming out here real soon on Christmas gifts.
Woohoo!
This is something that Addie likes. She likes Christmas gifts. But if you've got somebody with a Bronco, some of the stuff that we have had on the Bronco and some other companies that we have looked at buying stuff from, we're going to give you our top 10 accessories that if you're looking for something for your Bronco person in your life, whether it's a mom, dad, husband, wife, maybe it's a friend even, we'll give you those on an upcoming video. But yeah. We've got a couple videos up, and one's posted over here. This was just the last video we did. on that fire extinguisher.
Yes.
That's a really inexpensive product that may make our top 10, but here's the link up here if you want to click that real quick just to see it.
Yeah.
And it's, like I said, inexpensive, easy to put on. So, and it's a great piece of safety equipment. But don't forget to hit that like.
Yes.
Here it is. And it's down there. The one down there is more important.
Yeah,
and hit that subscribe button. It should be right over here above Addie's head
and
here.
then it's down there too.
The one down there is more important.
Yeah.
So please subscribe to our channel. We want to make sure you're getting our content. We want to get more subscribers out there. We have some really cool videos we've got planned coming up. So stay tuned for those. We're going to be hitting an off-road park. May have some big news that'll be happening summer of next year. But then also just so much more reviews we're going to be doing out there. So, hey, we appreciate you watching. We really do. Thanks for being a subscriber, and if you're not, we join you to become a subscriber, become part of the Monkey Business family.
Woohoo!
But thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.
Bye!